Stan, it's Frank Whitaker.
Hey, Frank. My boys get rid of that little centipede problem for you?
Yeah, Stan, the bugs are just about gone, and so's half my field.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about your drivers. They ran your spray truck right over my crops.
Frank, your place was sprayed from the air. No one touched your crops. Frank, you there?
Linking the sonar to the satellite is going to take more time.
Put it on hold. Our creepy crawler just popped up at the Indiana State Fair.
We're not talking centipede, we're talking megapede. It's showtime.
Tranquilizer darts can't penetrate its armor.
The laser weapons are useless as well.
If we can't stop this thing, we at least have to make sure we can track it. Craven, we need to mark the mutant with infrared dye.
I can rig up the dye canister to Nigel's hydraulic system.
If Megapede tries to move out of the area, use lasers to push it back.
Nick, where are you going?
Nice wheels, Jefe. Buying or leasing?
Borrowing. Get in.
We have to get Nigel closer.
Direct hit!
Nigel, no!
Well, I guess that makes them even.
That's a sound I love to hear. Those barbs must be poisonous.
The toxins in the foam. They'll burn his eyes.
Godzilla! The water! The water! Go to the water! Fork in the road. Right or left?
Left.
You know, maybe this is far enough. I'm sure Megapede's gonna come back to our world eventually. We could just meet it there.
Closing in.
We've hit something! It looks like a membrane!
I suggest continuing at a high rate of speed. Nick, it's right in front of you! What's going on?
deactivate the net. The infrared scanner isn't picking up Megapede. Just the dye marks on his former external skeleton. Elsie, all we've got down here is a cocoon. It must be some kind of hybrid cicada.
So this is that metamorphosis stuff they were always talking about in biology.
Right, Megapede was the infant version of the creature, followed by the pupal state, which explains the cocoon.
And eventually, the change is complete when a totally different adult insect emerges.
On the other hand, if this adult mutation is completely different from the baby one, we have to relearn everything we know about it.
Including how to fight it.
We've lost radar.
This is our air control tower. If you read this, turn back. Something's jamming our...
What's wrong?
Our radio and radar systems are down. We're flying blind! O'Hare Tower, come in. Do you read me?
That noise. Where's it coming from?
Megapede, the sequel.
The original mutation must have been a crossbreed. Part centipede, part cicada.
It's rubbing its wings together.
That's the way most insects produce their mating song. The frequency must be jamming all radar and telecommunication systems.
You mean the entire city's shut down because this thing's looking for a date?
F-18s, no doubt carrying a full load of Stinger missiles.
Monique, I need you to move us directly above the cicada. Craven, get the electric net ready. A little more to the left. That's it. Hold position. Craven. Now, do it now. Bing.
It's just like we feared. The insect's abilities and vulnerabilities have completely changed.
Give it a rest. Mrs. Mutant's not coming. You know, I like the first Megapede better. Sure, it sprayed toxic foam, but at least it was quiet.
Foam. Insulating foam.
The kind you spray in houses.
We could use it to coat the cicada's wings. It won't bring down the bug, but it just might silence it. Trouble is, we'll have to spray from pretty close range.
Allow me. You may begin the final flight check.
With that tank strapped on, we're over the chopper's weight limits. Stay here with Randy and Craven. When we get into range, make sure all other aircraft move out of the area.
Good luck, Nikki.
That's the kind of girl you take home to mom.
The chopper is in position. All other aircraft clear airspace immediately. The hose! It is twisted!
Hold on! Try it now! So much for insect karaoke night.
We're back online.
Monique!
Nick!
Monique, grab my hand!
Hold your fire! Hold your fire! He's one of us! Sort of.
It's bringing the entire building down.
Why didn't we think of that? G-Man, where are you? That reminds me, we need a new boat. Something faster.